Hello friends, welcome to FinTalk channel again. So today we are going to discuss a very exciting credit card. You can say it all-in-one credit card to meet all your spending needs. So let's start. So the credit card that I am going to review here is HDFC Bank Millennia credit card. So this is a very useful credit card for people who spend a lot on online e-commerce. So you can see that you will get 5% cashback on Amazon, then Book My Show, Culfit, then Flipkart, Myntra, Sony Live, Swiggy, Uber, Zomato, etc. 1% cashback on all other spends. Then you will get 1,000 worth gift voucher and up to 20% discount on partner restaurants. So let's discuss the key features and benefits of this card. So key features, as I already mentioned, that you will get 5% cashback on each purchase from Amazon, Book My Show, Culfit, then Flipkart, Myntra, Sony, Tata Click, Uber and Zomato. 1% cashback on EMI, then 1,000 worth gift voucher, then your restaurant benefits, and additionally you will get 8 complimentary domestic lounge access, that is 2 access in 1 quarter. And in today's world, all the people purchase online, either it is food or it is online tickets or it is shopping. So it will be a great huge benefit for all those people who like to do online shopping. Other than that, you will be getting 1% fuel surcharge, then you have that renewal benefits, then also the smart EMI option. So the reason why you should have this credit card, as I already mentioned, so you will get 5% discount on every purchase from Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Zomato, Book My Show, etc. and 1% cashback on your spending including EMI, and you will get 1,000 gift voucher, and also fly in style, means when you do a domestic travel and if you have any halt in any airport, you will get lounge access where you can rest, relax and wait for your next flight. You can save on road trip. People who have their bike or car or like to travel a lot, they can also save money when they purchase fuel through this credit card. And in today's generation, most of us like to eat from outside, so whenever you visit their partner restaurants, you will get a 20% discount. So this is an all-in-one credit card, so it tries to meet all your spendings, or if you want to eat out, then you can avail this partner restaurant benefits. So this is a great card for the people who can save a lot when they are spending. So guys, so I'm personally using this credit card and I'm saving a lot. Please do share your review here and let me know which credit card you are currently using. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and do